Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to yet another exciting episode of Pass and Move podcast, your number one soccer podcast in the land, proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets. Lucky Bets, our number one sponsor. Today, I've got interesting guests. My brother from another mother, my brothers. The same introducer, but we go way back. Since I tinta tinta in the Bayakura. But let's get the show on the road. I've got bensithi zawuintroducer Juma, but ngifuna uzintroduce wena ngendlela abantu abazazizwa ngabe ukuzwe ngawo. Kumbe ufuna ukubashaya ngesikhiwa sakho lesa esideep.
Mina vele usually I think is it morning? Good morning, viewers. Good morning.
It's any time of the day.
Yeah. Okay.
Umuntu e-Australia kwanza ubukela ngo-6,
6.
omunye kubukela ngo-9, so it's good day.
All right.
Yeah.
I think I've got so many portfolios, but in this case, I think you invited me for Ipora. So I'll introduce myself. Njengomuntu wePora. Juma Phiri is CEO of Spares / Benaya, FC Benaya. I think in short, this is how I can introduce myself.
For now.
Yes.
On your left, you said we've got Cleo. Put us Cleo. Welcome to the show, my brother. Ngicela ngamafitshane uzintroduce. Then si dive straight into it.
Okay, good day. Abantu balibukeli. Mina ngibizwa ngokuthiwa nguJabulani Bulukisa. Abaningi benomi njengokuthiwa nguSnoopy. Committee member eBena / Space.
Into the what / our Juma very is familiar with.
Our partners. You can't do it alone.
Team / team. But as it is, put us the circle lapha offset.
Yeah.
I confirm. Put us feel free.
Dying free.
Feel free. Alright. Because we pay it right Juma.
Yes.
Mbona ushaya replica elihle kakhulu.
Yes.
I'm not happy ukuthi amphathela.
Hayi ngizabuya la.
I'm not happy
It's
ukuthi
unfortunate ukuthi ngibuye in a hurry and I almost missed the interview isikhathi, but nonetheless ngizabuya la.
dala usisinda lapha sesibatshela ababukeli. Right Juma. Benaya Football Club. When does it come into picture? Because it team manager. When does it come into the picture? Lidonjani sizosokuthiwa sokule Benaya. iBenaya phela ngiyalapha ekhaya. Abantu vele they are familiar with the name iBenaya. Ngamafitshane iBenaya.
Benaya was formed in January 2026. We have always been friends, Urege and I, but we had not met. We had met in other portfolios, Kulmangi phone and everything. So in January, I came down home and I had the opportunity of meeting him in person. And then we went to my businesses, okay? And then eventually we went to Mkanini, the main one. He wanted to continue sponsoring Ajax Arena. I think you are aware. That's why you're talking about the slash. Yeah. So I said, "City we boss. I think when you have the capacity of having your own team, and as Kali say, ngama juniors, which are not very expensive. Konapo Inketa, because he's always been assisting. I think he's a former student of Inketa High. So he's always been assisting Inketa High, those underprivileged kids abangakwanisa ukubhadala ama fees, he assists them in paying. So I think so we can come up with a team, maybe Scali saying juniors under 13, 15, 17, and the Division 2 side. He got so interested. He's a football person, very much passionate in Ipora. And then immediately he phoned his wife, who happens to also support. I mean, they always say behind the successful.
Exactly.
Yes, you know. Yeah. So the wife came. I sold the idea to both of them and they bought it. And that same moment, the first day, we came up with a logo. The logo, we called a guy, a designer. We called a guy, designer, we were designing logo late konapo. Then I did the constitution. While the guy was designing, this has been my stuff. I was doing the constitution and we did the constitution. Then thereafter I was a city. And when I've been in football, tinga pila ama members, the executive yet. Then I say people that I had previously worked with, that I know that are also passionate in sport. Then there it was, when I was born. And here we are, we're playing.
So, juniors Division 2. Is the plan still the same?
No, it has changed. It is changed now. We no longer have a Division 2 because as we had formed Lokuzeni Penai, Sasila Division 2 yankona. But then an opportunity came. There was an opportunity to start in Juve Space, which was playing in Division 1.
Okay.
So we then opted to take in Juve Space, and then we disbanded the Division 2 because it put an 2. Yeah. So now that is why you realize we are talking of in Juve Space. But in Juve Space, we only adopted the first team, not the juniors, because they have their juniors that play in a different league with us.
Okay.
Ipenaya plays go Serial B, and then in Juve Space plays go Serial A. So that is how we did it.
So from January up to now, how is the journey? Junior side, go Division
1. Basically, our juniors is development. We're not really rushing to have positive results. We need to develop our Tuana when we started to being beaten high scores, 6, 8. Now they've gone down. Amanye winner. I think near weekend, the under 13s won. So now there's been a change. Same as in Juve, when we took it, Abafana Lawana, they were promoted from Division 2. So they still at stage fright.
Yeah, but when I found it singing kakhulu kunjuve ngisafuna ukuthi iBhena abantu beyizwe kahle.
Okay. Yeah.
Lomlando wayo ukuthi yona iBhena what is really about ngiyani kahle.
Okay.
Is it development singakafiki because there's a lot to touch sebeyapha kuPutas.
Okay. All right. Yeah, it's development. We are developing the players which we hope in the near future will also get promoted to play good Division 1.
So it's under 13,
15 and 17.
So 13, 15, 17.
Yes.
Okay, with the intention of having maybe the under 17 being the feeder.
The feeder. Yes, it is the feeder actually to the first division side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the Division 2 side disband. Put us mboya kuwe. Ngicela mbijana nje ungithi durula babukeli ngenjube injube space because injube space siyazi izimele yodwa. Yona from Division 2 promoted to Division 1 journey yakhona ungayithi nje ngamafitshane abantu bebele just okuyi background bebele kuyi idea ngenjube what space injube space sorry.
No, mina on my side eceleni is Mr. Chuma is saying till now we're from Arnel then that's where uJuma lapha hlala lo president bethu ulokuseni ukuthi ambonise ukuthi njengoba la uthanda ibhola ungazenzela lawo wakho okumele wena.
All right.
Then from them that's other side of Arnel.
All right. Uputha belilonke ku because Mr. Chuma lena we've been in football for quite some time. Ngiyakhuluma ukuthi wena ama// lawo uyawathanda. We've been with Arnel.
Yes, I was with Arnel.
We've been in football for a long time. Arnel ku Premier League yathi relegatewa. Arnel yahlangana le Ajax. We've been together. Ijourney lana ibinjani njengoba lokho beli kulokuzeni because at one time Ajax igcine isingasadlala ama game isimisi asoze sifike sibe le similar situation
no
ku/ku Bhena/ njengoba le abantu bama/
No, it's unfortunate ukuthi when we got relegated from Premier League, the sponsors level, because a lot was happening. It would sometimes we don't say the truth, Tinama administrators. I think a team then had to promote her into Premier League. They might have, I wasn't there, I was not at Arenal by then. They might have not said the truth to the sponsor. Ipora, it's not about sponsoring Ipora from Amagate Tekins. No, it's not. I think this is where they made a mistake. I think Umkyolana was probably told to go to imali eningi izavela kuma-Gate Tekins la uzakhipha mbijana ukuthi Ipora lirani. But if I tell you Premier League, when you have a home game, you are looking at home game. I'm talking of a home game. We are looking at spending 4,000 home game. Away game, nalingena pass 6,000 to 7,000. Imali ephuma engangeniyo. Arenal was a small team with few supporters. At one time, would play a match kungena abantu abayi-20 but $3. You've got a match officials that are coming from Wangi that needs 1.2. Those monies are paid immediately. Kemil Pela. Hiring is Luveve is 455. A minimum of 25 police is 427. You need an ambulance, $100. Camping Abafana, it's $800. Banama camping allowances and so forth and so on.
So it's a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
So yes, we all aspire to play in the Premier League, but
Without a sponsor.
without a sponsor, a very good sound sponsor, you won't sustain it.
So my question is, okwenzakala maybe ku-Ajax/Arsenal akusoze kukulandele futhi ngapho suku-Benaya/
No, I think we've done our homework. Once bitten, twice shy. I think we've done our groundwork very well. And we're still looking for partners, really. Look, we're not closing out anyone. If there's anyone out there who still wants to associate with us, they are free to join us. Yeah. We don't. All we don't want at the end of the day is twofold, like what we are saying.
Yeah.
We don't want to do that. Yeah.
What are we doing different from your previous experiences? Because you've obviously learned a lot from ama-setbacks. What are we doing different this time? Go Benaya.
Okay.
/
The advantage that I have now, Kupenaya, is I have a passionate president who happens to know football now. So that's the advantage that I have now. Uguti is a football person and he understands. So he does it the same. We might not do it 100%, but he tries to do it. And we are coming up lama projects, income generating projects that are also going to help us raise funds for our salaries, so forth and so on. Yeah.
Manje singene ku enjobe le yazi iyangichaza because injobe yayizi siprojectiwe. Benaya is not in the picture. Enjobe first game I think baba lema problems ngama license. I think first game abadlala ngani?
Yeah, postponed, yes.
Postpone. Why issue ama licenses and stuff? Is yikho lapho elingena khona boy iBenaya bisiteke over.
By then, if vele sasesingenile, I would tell you what, there was a time ukuthi thina size sithatha injury space. There's a good friend of mine okuthiwa nguNqo oye-shop eMpopo mothiwa i-Nut. He's very good friends lo Coffee. Coffee, I think we need to talk about Coffee.
It's very important.
Coffee is a nickname. He used to play football for Windermere sometime. And was a lot of coffee during the time anyway. But his name is Trust Chizunza. He's the founder of Injury Space. He founded Injury Space from scratch. And it so happened that his young sister is married to Marvelous Nakamba. Here and there, Marvelous Nakamba, I think I need to get it straight. It's unfortunate. It's unfortunate that Coffee is not here to speak for himself. But I know ukuthi abantu out there they thought ukuthi uNakamba owned that team, but he only merely came in to assist as and when he could assist because of maybe ukuthi brother-in-law, you know, but he never owned that team.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So and yet actually I'm told he had actually said he was going to assist the team in Ahamba ku Division 1. But like during the time, I think he had an injury, things were not going so well for him and everything. Sometimes you, as into you pack them and concentrate on yourself. I believe this is what he did. So, and then no coffee ran around. He managed to raise Imali Patala affiliation fee. Because for new teams, if you are promoted, the affiliation fee is 3.5. So he ran around. Why told Imali Liana, he registered. But now league I made it now.
Yeah.
And there were no funds. And the Njubo people, the community, were really looking forward with the team in the one. Yeah. So I say khuluma labangani uthi amadoda mina sokunisindela lapha kungaba lo muntu yini ongaba le interest. So happened to say share that information lo Lokuzen lo
Unqo emaGroves.
Yes, unqo wasengifonela mina. Nanti liqala isiteam lapha and upresident wenu umuntu webhora ngaba le interest project kule project nje so. And then we spoke then ngasengisuka mina ngaye eGoli ngabachiya lokho bekhuluma but this thing was dragging long. Until ule problem asthma, he was admitted Empilo. He called me when I was in SA. I think we did a video call. Le stress esinye waba le attack kune stress ibhola seliyaqala amafans ayenza yabo. So amfonele ebusuku ngo10 remember la isikhathi sesihamba and asikavumelani lapha njani. Then I said to him, okay Kofi, mana mina ngibuye in person down here sizoqeda izinto lezi. Then I came down, spoke to my president. He's a listening president. The following day we agreed. I'm not going to go really deep what really am I agreement, but just so we agreed, and then there we are. We then took into the space.
Okay.
Issue of licenses now. My licenses, it was not really our problem. There was a problem, I think, in also in Harare. We submitted them a bit late.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So and then there was an issue with abavumi ukuthi this time around sidlale ngama temporary licenses. They wanted our teams to use proper licenses. And another issue was our licenses then for all the years ayilungiselwa lapha koBulawayo, but as they've changed, the national is the one that does licenses, even including our juniors. That's why they are done in Harare. So this is where the issue was.
Okay.
Yeah.
The team has been acquired. Benaya is his sponsor now. Ijube Space. We have settled those problems. Our committee members put us to a committee member. From what Tata bonke labana committee member team yakho executive yakho Benaya ama juniors yabuya la hlanganisa le Njube Space. So you are the SG, I understand. Put us which position? It's just
He's a committee member, more on the transport logistics side.
Okay. Engimfuna kakhulu. Division 1 uJuma usekhulumile wafaka ukuthi inzima kakhulu in terms of maybe finance and stuff. Lina experience from RNL seli improve njani in Njube Space in terms of wona ama logistics to make sure the team everything is proper when you're traveling away, everything is sorted. President ama stress la eswaza because ibhora abantu bathola besikhuluma offset singakageli kushoot laba ngama stress abantu bebhora abaletha kuma sponsor egcine baleki. How have you improved knowing what you know? How have you improved in Njube Space?
Yeah, I'm just say a little bit from my experience, from when I joined the team, from Warne, I was just a committee member. I Warne living akula muntu la nxa ngimangikhala transport kodwa ngangikhona ukungena kweyinye department.
Okay.
Same applies kunjuba ukuthi kunjuba kanjani uma sasendleleni sisuke ngapha kulabenjubi. Imqondo yethu sometimes asikahambonani sikahambi on the same
Akabe in sync.
yes. Njengoba lesifisa ukuthi ngabe kuyenziwa so la ube le field maybe ngayenza le indlela le maybe lana ngithandi. But as time goes on njengoba sikhamba I think sizaba ku one line.
SG wena SG ubancedisa njani ukuthi kube lesibuthiseli because ama-challenge wena watsho ukuthi njengoba lisuka kuBenali ihlangana labanye abantu balezi ingqondo zabo labo ukuthi to make sure ukuthi team because belokhu kubisela kuma-selection la ama-problems owaba lawo previous to make sure ukuthi we've got a smooth sailing i-team because currently we see even the results are showing ukuthi there's something happening kunjube space kunjube space so
yeah. You know ukuthi vele each role must have its own responsibilities and roles and everything. I've done ama lokuzeni. I've written ama roles have what they should do and follow. But like he's saying, ukuthi in as much as ugu transport, he can also come into someone else's box. And yabona currently executive yami, the people that are there, they work from different areas. They are not full time like me. Abanye bakhona phana because of passion. I do the day-to-day running of the club. I know what happens
in and out.
Yeah, in and out of the club. And ngangwenza nya reporter to the executive because by right I'm employed by the executive. Yeah, I report to them ukuthi this is what the challenges that we're facing and everything. Sile problem I know ukuthi as and when we want to have our meetings at times because someone is committed because I remember one of the guys is a doctor, someone he works at is a supervisor at gas, so we never get that time uthi sihlangane in person. Since sense ama meeting through virtual. So sometimes ama meetings virtual, they don't give you the desired results that you want. So we are trying to work on that ukuthi sihlangane, we then sibe the one objective. But the objective of the club, I think it's clear, it's known, is to fight relegation, of which we are doing very well now.
Technical
No.
Talking about the technical, imagine technical. Did you adopt one of D2 or you have tried to restructure a bit? So
Initial
context.
Initially, when we started, when we took over Injury, we took over everything Injury. The technical team as it was, the players as they were. We took everyone, and then they played. But technical, then successful shortcomings here and there. We then brought in. We've recently brought in Amin Somapir. He's our head coach.
Amin, what you wear that?
Yes.
So you mean business? I would like to fight relegation. Litatu Amini.
Itimi amayasara. Amin is a piri.
No, it's like
I'm a piri.
Ngithola ngoba sithathu Amini. Asimthathela ukuthi salanzela ukuthi umntwana amesuka ku grade 7 sa form 1. Efa form 1 yabe akabe la ingqondo lalo ukuthi seku form 1. Lokho sitshela ukabi ku grade 7. So now sithathu Amini sakhaya indlela abafana badlala ngayo. I even talked to them last time esayiwangi. Ngabatshela bafana into sizitshintshile. U-D1 is just same njenge Premier. Dlala lebhola njengabantu abadlala ku Premier. Ngoba amabizo yaqala ku D1. So sithathu Amini sana zothi no coach bethu bese bejala iDui e-D2. Yazi ukuthi siwinile manje akushaba asichayile but ibhola ngona ngasola lebhola lani elichazayo lemali. Understand? So zasesibono nowathatha i-senior coach.
Okay.
Esizamfaka kulaba abafana laba njengoba benjalo ababonisa ukuthi ibhola kuyini into ayibhola. Now phela so ibhola kathi
sebe level.
Yes. So that's why sachaza sithi no sidinge mature coach ozancedisa laba ukuthi laba kanjani labafana bethu futhi ungakhala ama-games xa sudlala the way they were playing lama-game la ngeno Amin you will see ukuthi kulesifa le-change.
So i-technical team head coach.
Head coach being assisted by Nkosana Sancho Kumbo.
Hayi Juba. Akuna fight relegation.
No, we're fighting relegation. We're coming from T2. Only coming from T2.
Sancho.
Yes, Lo Sancho.
I'll fight relegation.
And then
I'll fight relegation.
Ilo Kutson Gama.
No, but thina kithi kithi kuthi right uyalini but thina kithi i-target fanele asipapa target such thina nje sithi zathi moto silela ukuthi singaphumi
Zana amabizo aqanjani.
Abantu bebhora yona laba. You see abafana laba they are very fortunate ukuthi they are under the arms of
Sukuqambela uGure.
Ndogure, then
Kutson Gama.
Ndo John Umabhaisa who was the head coach, and then team manager nguDanisa Phiri. Yeah, that's how the team is.
So watshela iZimbabwe lomhlaba uthi ufightele relegation.
Yes, I am
The
fighting
technical so.
yes
I'm fighting relegation.
but kana bona we talk of ama-legends anti but now abafana sidlala nabo you understand abafana abe baseteamini asazadinga ama-senior players lamabizo aziwayo ingabafana nje for example osila umfana omncane uWatton is a form 4
we've got about 5 boys that are form 4.
so abafana basesebancane bonke understand so yiyo thina indlela esikhale ngayo la ngo-president mekhuluma nje ngami ngayijoyina kwinto ukuthi no asizame ukuthatha abafana abancane singagijimisa amabizo amakhulu sifana abafana abancane babe belebizo yibo bele future kudlula ama-senior lathi sila.
But i-technical team I'm convinced ukuthi that is why ama results eseqalisile ukubuya. So
we are talking of that we also have Ghanaian players so let's not even talk. We have Ghanaian players that will be playing in the
so you are fighting umbrella
no but we are fighting relegation. That's the honest truth. I think that's our yardstick esifakile.
Khaya nje ufayile ama-foreign pay.
Say look ngaba i-promotion it's a bonus. Yeah, but thina
sithe asiphuma ku
we'll start competing seriously next year. This year is fighting relegation. If it's like foreign players, it doesn't matter. We want to fight relegation.
So njela kumuntu mutapa ikhaphu leli khitshwe ukuthi belile coach asebejayile ugrade 7 lingakafaka ama
igame lana bayiwina bengayidlali. You know, if you could tell even when they were preparing for the game sidliwa ngamapolisa. The previous week we had played Igami and 10 men first 2 minutes on Captain Amo was red carded Igami khona.
Okay,
but then they scored and then we equalized the game yapheli 1-1.
I remember.
So that lokhu in they thought ukuthi vele there will be a walkover. So vele abantu behamba
ngale same team.
Yes, we played the same team. They overconfident ukuthi asabe sikwanile.
But the technical team
kathi wena Amin wasn't there. Amin started. We took him sesibona ama results. We were drawing too much. They were not coming in. Even the play itself was not so pleasing. I'm not a technical person, but I should be able to tell you a formation. This is a formation njani. But tukangathi imbasa. So we then brought in an experienced coach, and his first game was when we played Black Rock Ewangi last week. I went with the team, and you know when I was walking after the game, I was walking with a spring because the play abayidlalayo we drew that game 3-3. And the fighting spirit Abafana was massive, you know. We won the hearts of Avanti Wanki community. You know, the play was just something else. I was head of delegation. I even reported with team the team engangiyibona previous. So ngathi we brought in new players.
So we change.
But it's something that brought in. What I mean is that kind of a coach. Uyakutshela ukuthi lidlala. Umreyiche. Bangako coach abakutshela njalo khona. Coach abaningi bayenza remote control. The control yangikhona. That's how they do. Bantu yabatshela abafana lawana will strive very well because believes in young boys and he's guiding them very well. And I can only say the sky is the limit. Igame esidlale ngeweekend against Moses win 3-1.
3-3. Anje wanthi ngiyalandela is Pacific Breeze Southern region. Ngiyalandela. I know ama results. You touched an interesting subject ukhuluma ngabafana abancane abaseteamini. injube space ile ama-juniors ayo, Benaya ile ama-juniors ayo, ukwanisa njani, ukhayela njani? Because obviously if you've taken over i-first team, labo belama-juniors awo babekhangela ukuthi abafana abancane, since i-team ibhive abafanele abancane, ngapha kuya-integrate-wa ngapha bakhangela i-technical team ikhayela kanjani ngapha kuBenaya. Who's looking at this scenario now, because you now have
We haven't done that locusm. So what we did was Kofi, the founder of Benaya, the founder of Injube.
Yeah.
Ulama coaches, junior coaches for Abafana Baki. Same as Benaya, we have other coaches as lab. We decided to go to Sugenzo this year, but next year we are combining the whole thing. Like he mentioned, the Kalisa Lapanuguti, starting Injube space was also changing. And again, team learner is based in Juve. So if it's an elite in Juve, then learner, it's massive. If we not citizens are ginger, we may not remove the weight in Juve.
So Benaya.
Yeah, something like that. We associate ourselves with Juve. So that name must always be there. Yeah, that is how we're looking at
it. In Juve, we all know the desert. But alika host ama-games for i-Division 1. I-Division 1 usebenzisa yiphi currently kathesi, njengoba ukhuluma kakhulu ufake Injuba ama-home games
sebenzisa i-White City.
Oh, okay.
Yes. We wrote to City Council, Bulawayo City Council, with the request of renovating and adopting a desert. And they responded by saying, yes, we can go ahead, see renovate if we so wish to play there.
I feel obvious.
Yeah. So I think it's something that we are working on. If funds permit, maybe second round we may be playing our home games.
Nice.
I think you got see perimeter fence. And Mr. Puluvisa Lapa, yes, I think he's doing a quotations of Tola. That fence, which is now for now, C5.
All right.
Yeah, and then we may be playing our games maybe next round.
Because Kumbula Injuba Sundowns used to use the desert. Or since you said Kumiteli adopted Tatanini desert. Agula
you know, Kompana Pila following a corner. Can you imagine because we're talking of Zimaland? Say my games that on a spatali some dollar. Team must still make a lot of money.
Chuma. Mina ekhadela amaziloko ukuthi ngiyabona even la uGoyi Benaya, but khathesi sikhuluma Injuba into eyi-one eregalia iBenaya sikhuluma ukwenza imali. Kuyini mzamo bani eseliyenzile ukuthi umphakathi ubekwazi ukuthi no iBenaya yiyo Injuba wenzela ukuthi abantu even eregalia, because nyawazi these days ama-replica ama-teams afuna ukuthengisa ama-replica abathengisa into eziningi, ngiyakwazi kusasenzima, but amanye ama-team even Premier League asingeke siwaqamba amabizo kuyabe ehlula khona lokho, but ku-Division 1 ngani ama-team asekubambe. Ungakhayela ngayenza i-Zebra Revolution replicas sesijumlathi silawa ama-replica khona abantu they are associating the Zebra bathenga ama-replica. Ngikhuluma ngabo-Gwanda Pirates, ngikhuluma ngabo-Mawabeni. You see these teams i-order ngani khona isihlelekile lawo manje an example even uBhutas ngani umjumile ubuye ngachaya eseBenaya. Yes, lawo manje uchayile i-replica, which shows ukuthi i-order nyana ikhona. I-incorporate njani abantu ukuthi bengaku-separate ukuthi if sesithengiselwe iBenaya uhamba njani.
What we have done is to conscientize abantu ukuthi iBenaya is taken over injuries. We have done our banners in all our home games. When you come home, you would realize all around the stadium, our banners, our Benaya Injury space, Benaya Injury space.
Okay.
So I want to be child. Then when it comes to the issue of our replicas, before we even took Injury, I had already done 400 of these replicas. This is for away kit. We've got another one here home kit. But now what we are simply doing now that we have taken Injuve Space, you realize that at the back of Amaloko Zala service Injuve Space. Now, but going forward now, because as I said, la I under Penaya then. So going forward, I think on the next batch, Sizayenza is combined the locals in the Injuve Space, local and everything because we're one thing.
Local, because Injuve Space, local.
Yes.
Ipena ile lokho ike ngikona kakhulu ukwenza ukuthi ungaphambanisa abantu. Understand ukuthi laminqa
ilogo yethu sizayichintsha. I think it's coming up with one logo next season. This season we can't.
Akuphambanisi kuma replicas. Una committee member ngodila labantu yakho bawutshela abantu phela.
Hayi bona kahle abantu what ngisi in short. Bona bebangakananzeleli kakhulu ngosunanzeleli. You can see phela ku stadium no abantu abakunanzelela kwinto lokho. Even ngingananzelela ikit esiyele eqoqa abafana bethu. Isijwe space phambili kulobhena.
Oh. Iko okhunya ngoJuma.
So abantu abakunanzelela ukuthi umehluko vele ungaphi. Kanti umuntu othanda ibhora njengomuntu weSoweto. Vele kakukhangela ukunengo lokho ezilo.
Abakunanzelela.
Ezilo banakuthi
ungahambi phambili
balethi Njube. Kuye la lifuna lithandayo la lingacicanga. Hayi is women try. Kufana lo muntu onatha for example sorry to me. Umuntu onatha asithi onatha isavana. Lonatha lokuthi oyinde ukuthi stop.
Indaba ngathi Khokumbi Fund.
Hayi yawujwayelekile.
Amna lokho angikwazi lokho.
Yonatha isavana le stop brand.
Menze yazi kuyini.
So as long umuntu lo wanibodlela esavana wayichinja ubhale stop brand. Kade ziyakhupha la. Yaraseni zangazo uyisavana phakathi.
Uyampica. Yazi befuna uJuma befuna ukuthi kulanzele something. Akhumbula team edala eZimbabwe celebrate 100 years. Why sithi bawunanzeleni?
Abantu bayala ini lokho abade befake.
Yes. Uyabona ukuthi
they associate with the local team.
Abantu sebeleli ike ngikhona.
Yes, alright 100%. Nami nje mina ngikholakala nti. With that mentality ukuthi vele ukugame yalinda siyiphi. That's why wona thina sithi gibo ngapha mayifungwana zafana wethu indaba egqoqe abakithethu. Ibhalwe Injuve Space. Ukhanya la nxa ukhathana le.
Which is fine.
Right. Ubhena wethu umamlanzela umbone. But thina sikwazi senzeni. Sesikwazi ukwenzakala. But this time because ubaba uJuma
sithi. Andaboneka Juma is clear. Logo is Penaya. Juma yenza so abantu besibona isikiba. You understand? Even ilogo is Penaya. Phambili is Penaya.
Sema players amakit abafana inje so emva emuva nje ibala kanjwe.
So ilo logo le Penaya ike
lo logo Penaya bese sisenzela amakit wonke Penaya.
So what now?
Now you fix.
Now faka ibizo liphi? Elalele ukuthi ngivele team yangaphi?
Enjuve.
Njalo ithandwa yini?
Enjuve.
Ama residents awenjuve
esithathe wenjuve was to write a name Njuve.
Understand?
Akula logo enjuve.
So wenza isithupa baba.
Akula kunjalo. I could think now is making sense.
So right ungakhuma eLenders. Lenders ngafaka iwafaka ilogo ethi sithandana leya. Usufakele njengalo kuyigold esingakwazi esixabane lawo. Ezozole kana gold asangizwisisi vele.
Yiko bayikona phela ukuthi ufuna ukuthi kucace uwenze ukuthi even emphakathini ama replica nxa isekhona understand bebe nxa ema gaming nxa leli ama page lithengisa ama wenza ukuthi umuntu angabi confused. Understand because ama supporter they know. Understand as long as kucaca Mr. Juma this is what I'm saying kucaca kule order in that direction ukuthi umuntu yakwanisa ubona ukuthi okay ilogo is Penaya but it's Injuve Space. Umuntu obvious lami even ngingakwazi senhle mboni there's something that's happening. So ama kit very iwona la then ama replica for fans are you kule merchandise that you
we've got these replicas we've got ama coffee mugs with the Penaya logo all these Penaya logos.
Yeah,
we've got water bottles as well. They've also got Penaya logos. There's many more that we are coming up with. You know, we are so privileged to have been involved in this sports marketing for some time. We are trying to introduce Latuku D1. So we are able to self-fund ourselves.
100%.
Yeah. So we are working very hard to achieve all our goals. Yeah. But again, on the issue of our replicas and so on, lapho engalungisa khona you realize ukuthi umuntu wangikhona maybe uncharge $10. So ekuthengiseni lapha looking at i-community yami, if you put a replica say at 15-20, very few will be able to buy.
Yeah.
So we want the situation with a replica, it should be affordable for the community yethu, you know, because remember singafuni ukuthi everyone can afford to pay $20. Yeah, sibe nama replicas that can also
abantu bakwanisa
accommodate laba umuntu yabona wonke umuntu ebela i-replica yakhona. So this is what we are trying to work on.
Okay. So asekhona ukuthi abantu even abantu because ijezi leli lihle liblind.
Akhona.
Omunye umuntu kubona ulichayile elifuna ukulithola atholakala ngaphi njani.
All our home games we be having
maybe umuntu osibukela Jesu se UK ufuna ukuthi i-team lengane yangichaza ijezi leli ngani lihle ngathola i-replica because abantu bethu bazithanda into zekhaya. Umuntu ethi mfu associate le njube space/Benaya angathola ngapha ama replica of enekhatshana.
Our office which is at lapha ku 23rd. Yeah, ku one card.
So ingafaka i-order kumbe sibele number safaka i-number yakho.
Yeah, safaka i-number and
nice
then
one.
we can do the orders.
Yeah, wenze ukuthi umuntu
or even the number ka treasurer.
Okay.
Because most of the time ngihlala ngingekho.
Uzasinikeza ngenzela ababukeli bethu.
Okay.
Sponsor sethu se Lucky Bets.
Okay.
You know eZimbabwe is a lot of things that happen. Siyakubona ukuthi suyenzakala. Abantu babheja into zayenzakala. Asifuna ukuza sokuthiwa abantu sebe abasebethengisa amagame Juba. Sebefuna ukubheja with Lucky Bets lapha sebefuna ukuthatha imali. So if you want to go to luckybets.co.za, it's luckybets.co.zw. Ungaklicka khona phana register with Lucky Bets, become a partner. You have to be 18 years and above. Please remember to bet responsible. Anti awazi Juma good division 1 ngiyawuza la ku premier ama situations la sike sabala awabona ukuyunga ongani uyayenzakala kudiwa lapho ukuthi kulamanye abantu sebe but udiwa lu trick,
you know, ukuthi bora at times, like for instance I'm now giving an example ukuthi auto coach vele they always have problem ama referees. In most cases it result if it's against you, you will always want to blame with our ref ba favor, but o ref bakhona ba favor maybe abenga favor or it's ignorance angwazi. Like for instance on le game e1 3-3 esayenzayo those were soft penalties. They're too soft to be penalties, and now to where we thought we'd get a penalty, we never got. Kule one time decision, it works. It does work. Yeah.
So kugcwele isandla zemfeni
Vele sasikhona. Ensiyathola kahle siyenzakala. Kuyenzakala, but I think we need to live with that. This is what happens.
kusharp win asikhulumeni overall. Sibonile even ku Premier League kade sizimfa iya suspend. Ku D1 is there any scenario enjalo ukuthi lizothiwa uref olingafayila like you are saying ukuthi igame elayidlalayo le we're not happy with maybe officiating, because ku Premier League we know 100%. Besikhuluma ngayo ku last episode ukuthi izifa strictly suspender or ref. Ku D1 kuselikela chasana lakho ukuthi uref or referee game so or ongachanga sharp uyapanishwa or anything.
That's what D1 I think kuzabanzima. Anjana ku Premier every game Premier likhona licover ama games. Ngina ngaphuma straight. But ngale kithi ku D1 I think easy if I can be serious with D1.
Kwenziwa kuyinto izifa ingabi serious ngapha ifuna ukuba serious ngapha because ngehle uba serious phansi phezulu obvious kuzayilahla. You guys look at division 1, you're facing these problems and nothing is being done. Into le asihlaziyeni wenze ukuthi abezifa nxa bengabukela iprogram le bezwe lana izikhalazo zenje ama team kuba khathi esikhayela kule muntu mutapo uzathola ukuthi amanye ama team from D1 azadlala ama team aku Premier basuka ku level le sebejayele lokho sebebuya nga sebethola standard si difference officiating ngapha phansi bona bejwayele esinye style. We need to fix into lezi zifana because this is championship. Singayenza njani ukuthi izifa ibe serious ukukhangela ngendlela okhuluma ngapho ukuthi abakho serious ngapho because ku premier match commission yabe khona
Same as
D1 match commission yabe khona uyabhala the same report uyabhala i-report nxa urefa engayenzanga sharp uyabhala i-report kwenziwa kwinto bengabi serious nga but befuna uba serious nga
I wouldn't want to say abakho serious really per se angikwazi nxa besenza nxa kuyaba kulama hearings and so forth because people do complain. I mean, I think what I would probably plead is the TV and so forth. They should also try and cover some of our games, not all, but some of them, because on covering our games, like this is where you expose our referees if poor officiating is there. Kathe something I wanna those penalties were soft. Ngikhulumela i-team yami yabo so omunye umuntu yena probably urefe nawabona kufair lo muntu we-Black Rock it was fair but had we had someone covering that match sesenze analysis after the game I may have been wrong bona urefe right yabo so mina my plea kuphela would be if we can get some media guys to come and cover some of these games this is where we can expose ilokuzini
same sentiments or different
ngoba njana uma kunjalo for example whether singabhala thina ama complaints or what kodwa ngalanto ebambeka iphilayo babala babeke phansi but ngingafaka complaint yami kule TV coverage bakhala complaint yami bakhala into yakona after the game we come up with something kanti vele kwenziwa kuyini nizifa yena ingabi le ndaba lo D1 lapho esikhala ukuthi kuphume khona ama players azangena ku because where there is lapho kule bhola khona mina my side is D1
very standard ngabe kumele beqalise phansi even junior level standard of refereeing must improve from ma juniors sibuya all the lower
isikhala amazwe wonke aphandle next to other countries u-D1 wabo they are covered ku TV uyalandelelwa
leyo nza funa sibambe sojuma wena you know ibenaya Njobe Space akhona ama media houses anjengathi for a professional club must have its own media
true
so singafaka iblame kuzifa but if thina sile media yethu kuba this is our footage
yes true very true
match commission ubhalile but le footage so ama teams aku division 1 lina you should understand what you are the next level to the Premier League.
Club licensing entails ukuthi we should have those people have a security person need to have a media office covering your unlike I was saying Suguti one we are marketing our players
yes
so even all our training sessions we should have these people covering Katesi Bora a player it's very rare ukuthi yabizwa isiya ku trial like uhambe goal usiya ku trial it's rare the player is signed in a footage
send the footage
just send the footage ama scouts lana will tell you ukuthi this is a quality player or not
so umlando esengumfaka kuwe njengo SG ukuthi okunye singaka complain thina let's make sure ukuthi
thina our housing
yes, true. So make sure
no but mina may be different from you ngendlela esengibone ngayo nangendlela engiexperimente ngayo into zebhola sihlale kakhulu u-D1 do you know ukuthi remember thina besilayo media but it was to wenza complain kube le footage yale yazi yazubuyela next game khatha lifundise enza ingcono uzwa ukutshela kwa referee zenza ingcono you know but if yona izifi ngakwenza ibe yinto yokuthi onke D1 for make sure mu register fanele belakho lokho it will help ukuthi lwana umuntu othanda ukuthi lizenze le
ngcono Mr. Juma is saying Mr. Juma is club license so mina ngilifaka umlando lina especially Mr. Juma njengo SG ukuthi ibenaya must make sure ukuthi have immediate team make sure ukuthi you cover izinto lezi because you cannot complain because isikhathi uzathola mepence ke so igame ukuthi isumele upromote you don't have this so lina lengaba sharp
the problem with us thina ngathi bona thina sizaba la 100% yonke into esifunayo nangu Juma ifika saba la 100%
mele kube khona vile
right kodwa iswitch sakho lesibabaza sizokusasa egamini elandelayo uma wona ulakho.
anti sizama ukuqhuma and
But yona what I'm saying is yona izifa emingakwenza ithi team engalakho lokho ayidlali akula muntu
That's why vele, I
Akaba
think
kutsho.
it should be a requirement entrant when you start.
Yes.
Ukuthi like in Premier League.
Yeah.
Premier League phela for promoted teams. We are from Harare. They want to see your office.
Yeah.
They want to see your computers. They want to see like for instance, example Arinel. Our office was within a distributing office and they condemned it. One, your office is way away from our players. It should be accessible to anyone. Office must be in town. Whoever comes in, office Arnel, office yankhona supporter 20 ungayibona. It must be visible. Kumele visibility ukuthi yeah, this is what they say. So those are the requirements. Like I'm telling you ukuthi kumele kube the permanent media person,
Yes.
security person,
Yes.
finance officer,
Yeah.
administrator, the CEO.
For
all
D1.
those things.
Yes.
One next to Premier League.
Yes.
So akube i requirement.
Kube yisame.
Yes. Yini ngisho khona ukuthi akube i-requirement ukuthi
Yes.
i-team ngena ku-D1 abela khona.
So we are told ku-club license is a requirement, but they are not enforcing.
No,
Yes.
they are not enforcing. Yes,
This
they are
is a
not.
problem to
Yeah.
Zifa. This is
And,
why
and you look at it, some clubs, Katisa D1, they don't even have offices. But they are playing in Division 1
Which is
next
wrong.
to Premier League.
Which is wrong.
Yeah,
This is
very
what I'm
wrong.
saying, which is-
But whoever is enforcing is not doing enough.
So wena uma usukuthi njengathi niBenaz masingaba lakho konke. Sibe lakho masifaka ama complaints faka ama TV
So
yethu.
twice selizenza ngcono.
Sesenze ngcono. Next game aliwini. So wena nkosi tipura lethu. Ngakho ukuthi yona izifa. Anje yiwo umama baba wethu. Ayikwenze kube yinto ehambayo. Hambe eBotswana, D1 yaphuma ku TV. Hambe eSouth Africa uyaphuma. Even eZambia la ku DRC uyaphuma. Ungazi Mozambique. But lapha
thina seseloma ngathi premier manje engaphumi. So umango wakho sesomningi part abe ngikutsho ukuthi thina singazenzela kuba easy.
kuba easy but sesahlala sikhala futhi.
Selitshwa ngoswazi.
Yeah.
So ngamanye ama problems that you guys are facing ku D1 which is it.
But I mean, I think it's enforcement ngabe ngayenza to change things.
Kakhulu.
To really change things. So I think they need to enforce.
So asambeni kuma future plans for Benaya/Njobe Space going forward isikhangeleleni isizini le from ama juniors awe Benaya wonke la eNjobe wonke le first team yethu kuyini esikukhangele esifuna ukubona esikuthembisa labalandeli beteam kuzwila Jason wanjelwa nyenyezwa ukuthi kulama mark what ngokunye lo but ama goals our team.
We've got too many plans, I tell you. I can't even preempt all of them. Sabe sifisa sibona ukuthi ziyenzakala ezinye zangikhona of course asozokwenzakala but like I mentioned, I think as an objective of the club, like I said, is to avoid relegation to start with. And football is business. We're in this for business.
100%.
Yeah. So in the sense that some of the players that we have, they're already ripe for the bigger market. We may sell one or two. I'm not going to mention names, but we have people that we've got young boys that can really go and make a name for themselves, go Premier League, as of now. Yeah. So we're in this thing to market the players at the same time, business-wise, to make money for the club, to sustain itself. By right, we should not rely on the sponsor. The club must be able to run itself.
100%.
Yeah, have projects, that will give you money. Transport, to sponsor, because sponsor, I remember, my business, ups and downs. By the time it team win 5 games consecutively, is down. So abafana baholi. But nasi lenye business esilethela imali. When the sponsor is down, as a club, we can cover that, that gap. So these are the things that we're looking at. That's why we're enforcing on having a lot of income generating projects. Soon we'll be we've got Nkuku that we're going to ama-broilers. We've got foul runs and everything. And the so advantage is our sponsor, club president, he's got ama-butcheries. So all that, we are now giving. The market is already there.
Yeah.
It's like sesichinjana, siyancedana. You know what I mean? Sesincedisana. So that kind of a thing. Yeah. So, and ngapha kuma-juniors, obvious, we want them to be develop. And then the next thing is they also come and play for the first team. We are not looking at getting a promotion anytime soon, but we want to develop. We want to have a culture ukuthi abantu they enjoy when they come. When you talk of Njubi, like I'm telling you, ukuthi since we've played 2 games. The change a team has been something else. Abantu sebekhuluma. Sebekhuluma ukuthi Njubi space kula abafana bayachisa, and I wish you could come on Thursday. Thursday we play Nkai.
Obviously.
Yeah, Nkai is a big team.
Liana will be there.
They may beat us. They beat us because they have the experience. But I'll tell you, it won't come on a silver plate. Yeah, it's going to be difficult. Those boys they really want to make a name for themselves. By the way, Right Bekwami is only 16.
Development is serious.
Yeah, the boys are young. Very, very young. Very young. Yeah.
Ngapha wena ukhangeleleni eteamini going forward, wena phela ngani ngosebenza labantu kakhulu phansi, phela abantu babe sebebuza wena.
Yeah, khona on going forward relegation yaqala fana siphuma. Second, mina I'm a businessman on my side, but on transport industry. Ngikhayele teamini sihlala sikhuluma nje, ngikhuluma mengithuli ngabatshela ithi abakuyavuma, ilizwe liyavuma, people kuyavuma, sithole ishop whereby esingafaka into zithu on one roof.
Konke khona kwamama
replica. Anti singafaka kwethu, i-Anders will come one day. No, sicala likhona lisithengisele kwethu. Sesiba le sports shop.
Ayale njatha nje jumana.
Idaloma will come again, okay?
Kanti wangavuli yale nje lokwayo. No, abana bathi bayareda nje.
That's kunjani anti? Yona already yona
sebenzisana.
Yona iposo no already ngaba ita indala kulathi. But umqondo esikhuluma manje. Abalayo bona. Sorry to say this, maybe ngoba ngiyathuka but ngathuka abala. Iposo kusiyakabe udala yiyo esesirenta kiyo ikona shop phakathi kwabo. Uda sifuna kwe Bena. Understand? But yakhona thuka but kubiqiniso. Mina I'm just saying ukuthi
banazi Jubi into esikhulula abantu abaningi. Yaba xa iphuma sokula.
Yana mina certain person ngikume straight. I'm not bored. Even now boss bakwazi they know me. Yithi labona sasithi if you remember that year esasithulize mina bachinjana. Wakuyithi khona pha. Iboy brother kwenza uhlanye sometimes. So I don't know if ule shop maybe you for the shopping ngana le. Asiyali ndase qalisana. Manje uyigod nalathi bhena sicele uyikhona lisifaka kwethu things. Idaloma sayabo ithi sicela ndikhona lethi see on one roof.
Uthengisa into
umuntu ayisuka endlini ethi vuka thenga ijesi. Uyama nonkosikazi wakho, you know, maybe labantu abakho, you know, ibusiness ikufana, ifamily la support elinda zonke, but zisangena eshop selifuna ukugwajisana. Sento kwepena. You know, sesikubusiness esihambile. You understand? So but because ithi mina wambono wami isifiso sami.
Jumantshize SG.
You know.
Ishop yafuna kanti.
No, ishop iku pipeline. Iku pipeline ishop. Yeah. I just wanted to say mina antabona we always want to refer lama teams ayarara le mali yalana. You know those teams babambeni. Bayancedana. You realize to Scott on Scotland. But you go and sponsor Zimbabwe. Why can't we do the same? Blayo Chiefs coming to assist and up and coming. Why doesn't it Blayo Chiefs and say maybe if ama fans are sivumeli? Basincedise somewhere. Because we're up and coming. Because the reality is ama players yethu la excella nxa bekhulu. First preference really should be ama teams local teams before we take them out there.
Now uthanda umqondo no but Juma lingazivalile. Ngibona ukuthi lina lingahamba kubulayo Chiefs. They've walked the road that you are in right now. Bebe ku D1 indlela sebeyibonile bayazi. and liyabona ngendlela aba-operate lina lingahamba, I don't think ukuthi lingahamba ku-Javas CEO we-Chiefs, Mr. Javas, ambona ukuthi bengayala ukulincedisa.
Yeah, Javas, we talk.
I'm different again entweni leyo. Because now if I may tell you bese ku Premier sonke le Blue Chiefs for an example, Arne saphuma sonke ku Premier sesiphumile. Do you know ukuthi i Blue Chiefs yabulala Arne? Yakwazi kodwa yapota imiconvince ama players wonke Arne yawafaka ku Blue Chiefs.
But it's business.
No. Let's know we are talking of Blue. Manje uJuma is saying sincedisana seBlue. Wena sesiphume sonke kulo ukuthi sincedisana siphile sonke. Wena usufuna ungishiya phansi. Ukhabe wethu uzondleka futhi.
They actually Juma is one other day, but I was sitting put that I'm a player. No, Arnold siphumile ngikhawukile ngabona ukuthi lwana ugood.
Siphume sonke.
Ngiyamthatha.
Ngathi uyamthatha ukuthi umhlaze phansi. Ungamdlalisi. Ngathi ufubulala Arnold.
But it's training.
Do you know that I food again? When maybe sasibisa le wanke ungena ku Premier. Yakhumbula. Iwanke yapota sabafana bethu. Yaqeda abahlalise wanke. Yangani yabasayina ithe sebonise ngathi sifuthile thina nti yona si right yaba release at ayisalisa kwaneli ithe siba ngapha window close
I politics ekole boring
strategy.
iyo phela ukutsho ukuthi ngabe siyenza njengabo Scott inside eHarare ukuzwanana ngabe labi ibhola limnandi kakhulu. But you know ukuthi iye I region le ilama players are blind. Even ngazophuma lethi kuhamba eCholocho abafana bedlala ibhola eCholocho uye eMapisa uye eLupane, you will enjoy soccer. Wena abantu abesikolo kuphela. Silama players, talented ama-players abafana abancane.
So yabona ukuthi lo mlando lina kuma juniors because indawo zene zaziqambayo uthola ama development iyahlupa SG yaza ngokumthola omkhulu.
But khaya bona abangala run they are going there emakhaya. Ukuthi umfana uphume ukuthi ngaphi imondoro what sekibuyi.
Kefanana nani
asincedisani lapho kutsho ngoJuma siyahlekana i-problem.
So nalo mlando omkhulu nxa ukubona izinto okunjalo
umlando kwama singabambana senze njani.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is like ama juniors ngiyayithanda indaba yama juniors, I mean development ngiyayithanda. Lina nxa libona ukuthi lama juniors vele kulabafana bagude endaweni eziphandle you go scout. You go scout, there is no harm. You go scout iBotsolotsho ngaBlupane Khezi you go scout lingabona umfana ogood Juma limthathe ebe kuBenaya limdevelop egcine seku Njube Benaya
laba siyahlekana lapho das lapha eBlawayo i-problem esila siyahlekana
inkinga yangikhona you know if you realize ngabe isincedisana even ama teams are relegated aba malutshwana from this
side yeah.
But the fact that we have become enemies ngase sidlana
akumelanga kube njalo.
Yeah,
ngofana kube njalo
kuyafana ukuthi ngathi sina lama XX players sengi-Highlanders and lama strikers amaningi. Some of them are not even getting game time. Loan them to Chicken Inn. Loan them to Blue Chiefs. Really game time.
Later with D1. I want for the reason was where Arnold. What are the Highlanders? Ite bona ngala game time bambisa ku Blue Chiefs. Kade sibe reason you know. Into fana yenzakala but thina sikuyenza.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa I think you need to have a conversation on a different day. Ngama issues abaye elwaraise but it's good for football ukuthi abantu bezwe ama views and perspective, especially ama team upcoming nje eBenaya le Njube space. So in closing Juma, last words Lopotas.
My last words will be thank you very much Archie for inviting us here to come and say our views and opinions to the viewers, and at the same time also to invite our partners. We as Benaya and Njube, who are open for partnerships. If you can come, it shouldn't really be money. In any way, cash or kind, come through. And partners. And we work. At the end of the day, all of us should smile.
Yeah, true. Put us.
I'm number one. Start. Since we see was a chill. Sikhale khona ukuthi ongasikhawukela la awuyazi azwa ingxenye yethu even le company yakho uma isikhawukile indlela esikhulume ngayo
hayi ibhena
mhlawumbe.
kusekhaya ibhena kusekhaya
Ibizo sincedise.
it's up to
Because this thing,
Juma lo president
this thing ayisiki ukuthi senzela thina. Thina sesiseko sesiphelile. But senzela i-future abafana. Kuyaphungula izidakamizwa. Kuyaphungula ubusela nobugebengu.
kakhulu.
Yabo, if you keep abantwana kuma esikolo abe lokudla kwenzayo masinyane from there
100%.
uzahambe elala. Anje sedini selala. Sevukuseni sesiphumule sesikolo. Evele esikolo abale aye ebhoreni mbaye ngaphi.
100%.
Ezidakamizweni uzayiphunguleka wane bugebengeni ebuseleni I think. So sicela sincedisane nje khonapho nje.
Hayi uyazwakala. There you have it guys. This was Benaya Njube Space SG the committee member. Now said it was ukuthi iBenaya ile team ibambene le Njube Space. It has been an interesting episode of a Pass and Move. I hope you engage us in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed, please, if you are watching us, ngisho wena ongikhangeleyo, subscribe. Ungaphonga ubukela man, bukela usubscribe, ushare utshela abanye. Until next time guys, thank you for watching.